Good morning students. Today's topic of discussion is inductive effect. Inductive effect is the process of electron shift along the chain of atoms due to presence of polar covalent bond. As you see in the example of N-butyl chloride, due to more electronegativity of chlorine compared to carbon, chlorine attracts shared pair of electrons more towards itself compared to carbon. Therefore, chlorine acquires slightly negative charge while carbon acquires slightly positive charge. This positively charged carbon atom now attracts electrons from second carbon atom. Thereby, second carbon atom also acquires positive charge but less than that of first carbon atom. So, electron shift takes place along the chain of atom. This effect is also called transmission effect because it is transmitted from one carbon atom to another carbon atom, constituting the chain of atom. The intensity of this effect is not same throughout the chain. As you move away from initial polar covalent bond, the strength of this effect decreases and become negligible after fourth carbon atom. There are two types of inductive effect: electron withdrawing or electron attracting inductive effect, shown by -I sign. The atoms or groups which has greater electron attracting capacity compared to carbon show -I effect. The strength of -I effect will depend upon the electronegativity or electron attracting tendency of the heteroatom or group attached to carbon chain. Greater the electronegativity or electron attracting tendency of the group, stronger is the -I effect. Decreasing order of -I effect of common atoms or groups are shown below. Next is electron releasing or electron donating inductive effect, shown by +I effect. This effect is shown by those atoms or groups which has stronger electron donating or releasing tendency compared to carbon. The more highly substituted alkyl group has greater ability to donate electrons and hence show stronger +I effect. That's why tertiary butyl carbon has stronger +I effect compared to isopropyl, ethyl or methyl group. Some of the application of inductive effect. Inductive effect plays important role in comparing relative strength of acid and base. First, we will study comparison of relative strength of organic acid. In aqueous solution, carboxylic acid exists in equilibrium with carboxylate anion and hydronium ion. The direction or position of the equilibrium will depend upon the relative stability of carboxylate anion or carboxylic acid. Greater the stability of carboxylate anion, stronger is the acidic character of the organic acid. A group having electron releasing effect will intensify the negative charge on carboxylate anion and thereby destabilize the carboxylate anion and decreases the acidic strength of carboxylic acid. Whereas group having electron withdrawing inductive effect will disperse the negative charge on carboxylate anion and stabilizes the carboxylate anion, thereby increasing the acidic character of organic acid. For example, fluoroacetic acid and chloroacetic acid. Fluoroacetic acid is stronger acid compared to chloroacetic acid because fluorine has greater electronegativity compared to chlorine. That's why fluorine show stronger -I effect compared to chlorine. More the number of electron withdrawing group, greater is the acidic character. In case of formic acid and acetic acid has electron releasing CH3 group, which decreases the stability of carboxylate anion by intensifying the negative charge on oxygen atom. Therefore, acetic acid is weaker acid than formic acid. But fluoroacetic acid and trifluoroacetic acid are stronger acid than formic acid and acetic acid, because in fluoroacetic and trifluoroacetic acid fluorine has -I effect. -I effect is stronger in trifluoroacetic acid compared to fluoroacetic acid, because in trifluoroacetic the -I effect is due to 3 fluorine groups, while in fluoroacetic acid -I effect is due to only 1 fluorine group, therefore 1 fluorine atom. Therefore trifluoroacetic acid is stronger acid compared to fluoroacetic acid. As a group having -I effect moves away from the carboxylic group, its effect on acidity becomes less pronounced. For example, in case of 2-chloro, 3-chloro and 4-chlorobutanoic acid, 2-chlorobutanoic acid is stronger acid compared to 4-chlorobutanoic acid because of proximity of -I effect. Next application of inductive effect is in comparing the relative basicity of amine. In aqueous solution, aliphatic amines exist in equilibrium with ammonium ions. Greater the stability of the substituted ammonium ions, stronger is the basicity of amines. And R group has electron releasing inductive effect. Therefore, by donating electrons, it decreases the positive charge on nitrogen atom, therefore stabilizes the ammonium ion and increases the basic character of amines. On comparing basicity of amines with ammonia and aromatic amines, aliphatic amines are stronger base than amines and aromatic amines due to +I effect, while aromatic amines are less basic due to resonance, which we will discuss later on. In case of aliphatic amines, groups that donate or supply electrons will increase the basicity of aliphatic amines, while groups which have electron withdrawing tendency decreases the basicity of amines. Tertiary amines are stronger base compared to secondary, primary and ammonia due to presence of 3 alkyl groups which show greater inductive effect. However, this order is followed only in vapor phase. In solution phase, solvation effect plays an important role, which we will discuss later on. Thanks.